And today I'm going to be making some socca with chickpea flour, water, avocado oil, and salt. First thing you'll need, a bowl. First thing that you'll do is you'll put the flour in, the chickpea flour, may I add. And then get your whisk and you pour the water slowly in. Only do a little bit, and then you're gonna stir. And then a little bit more. You wanna do it a little bit slowly so that there's not chunks when it becomes a paste. Now I'm going to add the avocado oil and stir that a little bit. And while I'm stirring it, I'm gonna add the salt. And now, even though I poured it in when the clumps weren't all gone because we need to mix it together. When this is done, I will leave it sit for 1 hour and then we'll bake it. Alexa, set a timer for 60 minutes.
1 hour, starting now.
Wherever releases, there's dishes to be done. So, first we are going to press bake and then 450 and we're gonna press start. Then you could use a normal sized pan, but I am not normal, so I use this small pan. And since we don't want to put the socca on a cold pan, obviously, we need to put it in the warming drawer. Goodbye. Now we are going to press cancel, then broil, and then start, and then get the pan out of the warming drawer. Now we are going to spray it so that it does not stick. And we are going to get the 4th cup or whatever you use of the dough kind of mixture. And we are going to add it. Now, going to take your favorite oven mitt and kind of move it around the pan to coat it like so. Then we're going to broil it for 5 to 7 minutes. And broiling means it's hot, so be careful. It's so hot. 5 minutes. And I think it's ready. You're gonna have it so there's kind of brown on the edges and it looks cooked. And it has brown on the edges, so there's a little bit of bubble there. Second one that we made, we put a little bit more batter, and I think it'll turn out a bit more of a cakey color, which I think will make it taste better. For this one, we have peanut butter and strawberry jam, which I think might be one of the best. Then right here, we have some honey and butter rolled up to make a beautiful masterpiece. And right here, we have one of them cut into 4ths and put with some taco soup. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay. More coming, also. No, I know. That's so good.